Welcome to Not Dev Creations. Today we're going to turn a Northern Maple pin blank into a Warrior pin. Stay tuned. Let's get this done. Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. So, just taught Jason, the guy that made this for me, how to turn a pin. This is his very first pin. It's a gel click slimline pin. Absolutely gorgeous. He did a great job. So if you guys like this, leave a comment down below. Let Jason know that you approve of his first pin like I do. It turned out great. So anyway, what we're turning is a Warrior style. Man, I think I got a lean on that tripod. Anyway, if it's leaning, we'll fix it here in a second, guys. But this is a Warrior style click pin. Picked this up, Rockler. So, kind of a cool looking look. It's got these O-rings on there. Got like a little nut. So, we're going to turn that up. It's going to be a nice contrast to the maple, to the gold. So, like normal, I've already cut it. We're going to drill it. Put the barrel in, we'll turn it, finish it, get done. If you guys like what I've been doing, like and subscribe. If you would like to leave a comment down below what you would like to see me do in the future, I'm open to suggestions. Let me know. So anyway, let's get this going. Catch you at the lathe. Alright guys, ta-da! Turned out awesome. So yeah, if you guys like what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can do live feed on YouTube. It would be really cool to do. I don't want to bring my computer into this environment. It's just not a good environment to bring a computer in. So mobile is about really the only way I can do it. And you can't do that without 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers, that'd be awesome. We're getting really close to 100 subscribers. I really would like to get that custom URL. You know, the YouTube / Naughty Devil Creations. That would be cool. I think we're 19 subscribers away. So really close, really close. I never thought I would have this many subscribers. So I do appreciate every single one of you guys out there. So, yeah. I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, leave me a comment down below if you want to see something. And I'll catch you in the next video.